Hi guys! Welcome to Akosha's Kitchen PH. So for today, I'm going to show you a recipe of a steamed banana cake. Let's start making. First step, we need an overripe bananas. Next is we will put 1 egg and then followed by a half cup of oil. We also need a half cup of milk, we also need vanilla extract, half cup of white sugar, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix well until combined. And for the dry ingredients, we need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of baking soda. We will mix until incorporated, but do not overmix. Since most of you guys do not have steamer, I'm going to show you how I make an improvised one. I'm going to use a pan and then I will be putting a strainer on top of it. And we will steam our banana bread for 45 minutes. And this is our finished product. I hope you enjoy our video and please give it a try. Thank you.